The 222 series splicing connectors equipped with cage clamp compact terminate solid, stranded, and fine stranded conductors without tools. Wiring is very easy. Strip conductor to 9 to 10 millimeters or 0.37 inches. Open clamping unit via integrated lever and insert conductor. Then lower lever to close the clamp. If properly terminated, the connector fully encloses the conductor insulation, preventing accidental contact with live parts. Wago uses high-quality materials and then finishes the surfaces to ensure continuous secure contacting of the conductor with the bus bar. In addition to standard applications and building installations, Wago connectors can also be secured in place for use with mounting carriers, for instance in distribution boxes. When used with mounting carriers on a carrier rail, cable strain relief can be implemented by adding cable ties at the mounting carrier perpendicular to the terminal block direction. The snap-on strain relief plate enables securing of round cables using cable ties. The universal angle adapter enables horizontal assembly on the carrier rail. The mounting carrier, with or without the strain relief plate, can be horizontally mounted to any smooth surface using screws. Screw mounting, with or without the strain relief plate, can also occur on any smooth vertical surface. Voltage can be tested using a voltage tester at the built-in test point on top of connector. The 222 series portfolio includes 2, 3, and 5 conductor compact connectors. These 3 variants enable diverse applications beyond buildings. The compact connectors have globally recognized certifications for use in building installations. They have also been designed and improved for applications with increased vibration resistance requirements, such as shipbuilding and railway technology. Wago 222, the flexible all-rounder.